I went to the newsagent the other day and bought $100 worth of scratchets. And guess what? I won $10! Winning! Anyway, I need to try and spend it fast before the government finds out about my windfall. They'll try and steal it off me. So I went to the KFC app and I saw that they have a $10 mega fill-up box. So I'm going to go and grab one of those and we'll suss it out and see what it's like. Right, well, let's just check the app first. Now, it's in the promos section and it's down the bottom. Oh, it looks like it's an online order only. Oh, well, I'll save this for half a litre of fuel another day. Anyway, it looks like I've got to pay for it online. Hopefully I can get it through the drive-thru. That'd be awesome. In-store or drive-thru! Yes! Right, tap below when you're at the drive-thru. Well, I'm at the drive-thru now. Quote my number. Let me screenshot that. 1954. Oh, so about 50 years before I was born. Right, you go there. Seatbelt secured. Let's go. Now, this KFC has got a drive-thru, so I'm going to have to use it. 1954. Remember, folks, 1954. Not the year I was born. Not the year I was born. Way before I was born. Yeah. 1954. 1954. 1954. Right. I think I can still remember that. 1954. Right. Right. Hang on, let me just check my screenshot. Right, 1954. Okay. Right. The pressure's on. I'm nervous. What number was it again? 1954. Okay. Oh, there's a few more things on that promo too. It looked pretty good. Might have to go those another day. What's my 1954? Right. Right. Not the year I was born. Not even close. Nah. I think maybe my grandma was born then. Yes, yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, my great-grandmother. That's the year she was born. Yep. Yep. 1954. Good year, those ones. The good old days. You could... yeah, no worries, mate. You buy a house for about 25 cents back then. Buy a house, have 16 kids, all on one salary. The good old days. 1954. It won't be a second. If that 1 second was Saturn, it's probably only been about 1/100th of a second on Saturn. Very busy KFC, this one. I come here because their KFC is always really good. It's worth driving the extra 200 metres.
Sound like the way. What can I get?
I've got an online order, 1954.
1954? Yeah, mate, yeah, the mega fill up with the zinger piece, the original piece, regular with the Pepsi Max.
Sure. Oh, can I change that to a sugar Pepsi?
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'll just show them for you when you're ready.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't like that artificial sweetener, mate. Ugh. Ugh. Leaves a foul taste in my mouth. Probably won't end up drinking this drink anyway, so might leave it on the sidewalk somewhere. Some homeless man might like it. Oh, just keep going? Oh, great, awesome. Oh, great, thanks, mate.
Have a great day.
Oh, can I get the... Yeah, normal Pepsi, thanks. I got the receipt. Oh, great, thanks, bro. Right, yes. Got the normal Pepsi. I got the receipt, mate. I can just keep driving through. I'll be happy with that.
Okay, there you are.
Awesome. Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Crikey! This box is huge! That's what she said. Anyway, let's find somewhere to park and we'll check it on the scales. Alright, well, let's see how much this weighs. 673 grams! Crikey, O'Malley, and that doesn't even include the drink! If I add that, you're looking at a kilo of tucker! Or heart disease, one of those. Either way, it's a win-win. Now, if you didn't want the $10 mega fill-up box, they also have a $12.50 one. I think it comes with a larger drink and some larger chips. Anyway, let's suss it out and see what we actually get inside this mega fill-up box. Can't wait to see. Da, 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 da. La 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 la. Crikey! Gee, that looks all right. Now the $10 mega fill-up is a zinger fillet, original tender, wicked wing, potato and gravy, original recipe piece, and 3 nuggets, plus chips and a drink. Mate, what a bargain. Anyway, let me throw down an extra bit of protection for my towel so I don't have to wash it again. And well, here's the chips, and that looks like a piece of original there. There's a wicked wing, a zinger fillet. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. That looks like an original tender, and I've got a potato and gravy and 3 nuggets in there as well. Yes! What a score! Crikey, mate, where do I start? And where will I finish? Probably on the bogger. Alright, well, for starters, I better get into their chips before they go too soggy or hard. Well, I think they're already soggy, but let's make sure they're seasoned. Oh. Beautifully seasoned. Whoa! Yummo! I did get 3 nuggets too. Don't mind if I do. That's pretty good. A piece of original recipe. Just like they had in 1954. Oh, look at that skin on it. Oh, mate. Seriously. Is there a better flavour? I just don't think there is. Oh no! Did I just die and go to heaven? I think I might have. Oh. Never looks that good when you actually bite into it and see those blacky browny bits though. So don't do it. I've got the tender here. Not as good as the original recipe piece of chicken though. Now here's the zinger fillet. I like to leave the spicy stuff till last. Otherwise it'll coat my tongue and then I'm left with everything tasting like a zinger fillet. I don't really want that. Although after biting into that, maybe I do. Now the penultimate piece, the wicked wing. How does KFC do it, mate? Everything they make just tastes so good. And last but not least, the mashed potato and gravy. Oh. Everyone's favourite. Unless you prefer Red Roosters, which I tend to. And it comes with a spoon here. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty hot. Still think Red Roosters is better. But anyway, what a feed. And I get to wash it down with a drink if I choose to. Although I'll probably add some sort of brown liquid to this later on tonight, maybe. Maybe I'll save it for the weekend. But I'll tell you what a feed. So I wonder what score I'm going to give this mega box out of 10. Well, value-wise, $10 for all that food. And a drink. Mate, it's about, what, 600 grams worth? A kilo with the drink. Mate, that's a bargain! Flavour-wise. Well, the chips today, though, were cooked very nicely, seasoned well as well. The nuggets, well, they were pretty good. They're so juicy, aren't they? You almost forget how juicy they can be. The original fillet piece, mate, whoa. That thing is worth the $10 alone. You got the zinger fillet as well. Don't know what you're doing with that. Seems a bit strange just eating it on its own. Better than not eating it at all. And the wicked wing. Ooh, boy, was that tasty. And then you get the mashed potato and gravy. Not my favourite. Smells a bit funny and tastes a bit funny too. But besides that, mate, what a feed. What a box. And I get a drink to wash it down with. Maybe later on the weekend. But I think there's only one score I can give this. And that is a... Oh. A 9.9 out of 10. The only reason I'm taking off 0.1 is because they're mashed potato and gravy. I don't know, there's something wrong with it. But besides that, mate, what a feed. All that food and a drink for $10. A kilo's worth. What more do you want? Well, there's a few more things on that promo list that you might want. So anyway, there's a $10 mega fill-up box. Well worth the $68 in petrol to go and get one. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's